Hey guys, what is up? Welcome and welcome back. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So right now, I'll be reacting to Marcelito Pomoy. You raised me up. I've seen so much people. I've done a cover to this, but I've never done a reaction to Marcelito's one. So without further ado, let's see what it's about. I'll see you there. Peace.
When I am down and know my soul so weary.
Guys, his voice is so remarkable. This performance was done 3 years ago and he sounds so good. It sounds as if he's just performing now. I guess he has evolved from 3 years ago because this was recorded in 2020 and right now I know Marcelito is very spontaneous with his singing and this singing is so good. He has improved a lot based upon what I've heard with his recent performance, with his recent songs that he has been performing. He has improved a lot. Whoa, this is so good.
When troubles come in my heart burden me, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me.
This is the part that will blow my mind away. Okay. Okay, let's not haste this moment because this will be a historic moment. Let's continue.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Guys, when it comes on to God Himself, I'm all in. And when he sings this song 3 years ago, I'm really sorry that I haven't done a reaction to him back then. But at that moment, 3 years ago, I wasn't even focusing on YouTube. I was doing something else. I wish I was doing reaction back then to get the groove, to get his momentum. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter because he's still doing it. He still have this groove. And when it comes on to God representing Jesus Christ, I'm all in. And this song is so touching. Okay, let's continue. Understandably, this voice, what an amazing, peaceful, astounding, relaxing voice this man carries. And he has everything under control. He controls his voice whenever time you want to go high, whenever time you want to go low. And this song is a low tune song, and he's singing like a professional. He's a professional. He's not singing like a professional. He's a professional. And he's singing with peace. He's singing with joy. He's singing with love. Because that's what makes a man a man. When a man is sent out to do his duty, he will carry out his duty according to the assignment instructions. And once you are following that assignment instruction, you will try your very best not to fail, not to fall short there. But guys, remember this. We all are humans, and sometimes, whenever time we get the chance to carry out our assignment instructions, we have failed. But that never brings us down. We always keep on the uprise. And this man here, he never gives up. He's singing from a taller time, and he never gives up. Each day he sings, he's singing improve. And if you're doing something, please improve on it. Never lags behind, because the moment when you lag behind, that's the moment where you're gonna think that no one will support. Always keep on the pace, always keep your motivation uplifting. Always motivate yourself. Surround with people who keeps on motivating you. Because I can guarantee he could have given up a long time, but he always surrounds himself with people who motivates him to keep on going, because he has a remarkable voice. And person like me in Jamaica loves his music. I have a lot of Jamaicans who subscribe to my YouTube channel for various reasons. And I can guarantee that some of them will watch out the entire video. And if they are not enjoying Marcelito's music, they will not even watch. But Marcelito, my friend, keep on the good track, bro. You're doing excellently. Let's continue.
When I am on your shoulders, you raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up.
This is such an amazing music. He has never chosen a better song. Don't get me wrong, Marcelito has some stupendous songs, but this is one of the best choices yet. And he sings with such impression. It gives you the impression that he's singing from his heart. He sings it because he meant it. People will sing, but they are singing because of the song's sake. But remember, when you're doing something, you do it because you love it. You do it because you want to get more from it. You do it because you want to learn more from it. This is why Marcelito keeps on giving us his good voice to sing this awesome music. And as I stated earlier, when it comes on to singing to God, I will stay and I will listen, because these music are the best music yet. Let's finish.
To more than I can.
This was really a beautiful performance. This was really a great song. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Marcelito, Just a small note from a Jamaican friend. Keep up the good work. Never fall short of anything. Just keep on praying and ask God to give you the light throughout your journey. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? Please state your next suggestion. I'll see you there. Peace.